A successful day, business as usual. Then suddenly, your systems freeze, data disappears, ransomware flashes across your screens. In the blink of an eye, your business is paralyzed. This isn't fiction, it's the reality of cyber attacks. But it doesn't have to be the end of your story. That's where a cyber business continuity program comes in. A cyber business continuity program, or CBCP, is your roadmap for surviving and recovering from cyber attacks. It's not just about the tech stuff, it's about your entire operation, people, processes, everything. A solid CBCP means you can get back up and running fast, minimizing damage. Let's face facts, attacks are on the rise. Hackers don't care if you're huge or small. They want your data and your money. Downtime is costly, lost revenue, productivity, even your reputation takes a hit. Customers expect you to be prepared. Trust is key. A CBCP shows you're serious about their data. A good CBCP has a few essential parts: risk assessment, identify your most critical assets and potential threats. Where are you vulnerable? Impact analysis, how would an attack cripple your operations? What's the financial and practical fallout? Response plan, clear steps for who does what during an attack. Communication is key. Recovery procedures, how do you restore systems, data, and get services back online ASAP? Testing, don't wait for disaster. Regular drills reveal gaps and make sure your plan works. A CBCP isn't a dusty document no one reads. It's a living thing. Training everyone in your business needs cyber awareness, from the execs to the interns. Culture of security makes smart cyber practices a daily habit, not just when disaster strikes. Adaptability, threats change, so must your plan. Review and update it regularly. Yes, a CBCP takes effort, but think of the alternative: losing everything you've built. Investing in a CBCP is like insurance for your business. It's what allows you to not only survive, even in the face of cyber threats. Don't let a cyber attack be the end of your business story. Take the first step towards cyber resilience. Start developing your cyber business continuity program today. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay cyber smart.